Hey everybody, Nolan of Black Diamond Services. So, I got an unfortunate situation here. So you can tell this carpet looks like it's soaked. So here's what happened. The washer got pulled out and the drain plug didn't get put back in here and flooded into this pan here, which has got full of water. So that stopped probably a gallon or two of it. Flooded the carpet, went into the wall. As you can see, it's up against the wall here. And then let's take a look into the room next to it. It has started to come through the wall here. And it's even made its way all the way over to here. That was already there, but it made its way in through the wall against this desk and up over to here. So basically what I've got to do is extract as much of the water as possible. And then because it's dirty water from cleaning stuff, then we're going to clean it and use some neutralizing cleaner agents to help resolve this. So I just wanted to show you guys this because always be careful. If you pull your washer and dryer out because you want to clean underneath it, make sure, number one, that you turn these off. So that way, if these lines are brittle, they don't break on you, and then you got water gushing out. And then of course, put the drain plug back in before you turn it on. Otherwise, you're gonna get this problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this. Let's see what it looks like when you extract all this water out. All right, so we can hear that I got the machine on. Just put the wand in. See, that's how soaked it is.
Let's look at the sight glass here. You'll see it's thoroughly coming in. It's kind of hard to tell, but water is definitely dirty. It hasn't been that long since this room has been cleaned. And yes, unfortunately, it is a bathroom laundry combination.
So basically just have to, it's just commercial glue down kind of style. So it's literally just carpet to concrete. So the water doesn't really have anywhere to go except for soak into the concrete, because being that this is a shop, it's not gonna be sealed for any reason. So it's just a lot of slow dry passes to soak up as much of this as we can. Unfortunately, this was a simple mistake. Could have been avoided. Accidents happen. But that's why I wanted to start the video out with telling you guys to be careful. If you move stuff out, make sure you put things back so we don't have accidents like this. Also, one of the things I've walked into a lot of times in the past is if you leave on vacation, something you might want to consider doing is turning your water off if you're going to be away for an extended amount of time. So a lot of times that's when water lines are going to burst. Something's going to break. I've seen it multiple times in my area. Even though I live in a warmer place in Central California, it still happens. We sometimes get some freezing degree weather. Sometimes you have to, like outdoor faucets, if it gets really cold, we gotta let a slow drip come out. Like just literally a drizzle drip makes all the difference. I'm sure there's better ways to do it. I've seen devices that now if it gets cold enough, they can allow it to start dripping a little bit so you don't risk as easily pipe bursts. But we've had some people that have left for extended amount of times, like say a week or two, and have come back to a flooded house. It's not gonna say that's gonna happen to you if you leave your house unattended for a long period of time, but it is always a potential risk. So again, for those who are newer to the channel, thank you for tuning in. If you are new, there are tons of videos for you to catch up on. For those who have been with me for a long time, again, I know I haven't been posting a lot. Been more managing than anything as of late, trying to grow the business. It's all part of the deal. So bear with me on that, as videos may not come very often at all for right now. But yeah, it's still coming in dirty. And this is just the extraction of the water. So I'm not gonna make this video too long because it's gonna get pretty redundant of just watching me extract water here in a literal like 6x6 space. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. Periodically check your stuff. Also, that tube that I showed you in the beginning of the video that's behind your washer, that can build up with gunk and get clogged and cause problems too. And sometimes all it needs to be done is taking it apart off your machine and clearing it out and putting it back, and that could solve potential issues. So it's kind of one of those things that's out of sight, out of mind until it happens to you. And then because you don't know what you're to do here, you got to call a plumber because you're not sure how the heck did this flood. But it was an easy to see thing by just looking behind the washer and seeing that tube was sticking out and not in the drainage pipe. And that's what caused this issue. So thanks again for watching. My name is Nolan. This is Black Diamond Services. We are in the Central California area, 209 area code. We cover Stanislaus and San Joaquin counties and some surrounding areas. Depending on the work, we can come to you. It is an extended reach kind of thing. So our minimum service charge will be higher, or the cost of the work may be a little bit higher, but if you'd like to use us, we would love to earn your business. So you guys take care, and hopefully I'll be able to put out another video sometime kind of soon. Until then, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to leave a comment below. Have you ever seen this happen before? Has it ever happened to you? Let me know. Wanted to show you guys the filter and how bad it got. Now remember, this was just extracting dirty water, and then I cleaned it too afterwards. And this is what I got. Now it is dark, you can tell I got my light on here. So I'm not able to do a water dump and show you. I need to clear the system out. I cannot let this sit overnight because it was filthy. So I don't want this sitting in the tank and making it worse. So I apologize, I won't be able to show you a dirty water dump, But this is essentially what was in the carpet. Hair, dirt, and other stuff like that. And now I did clean a little bit in the office that's around the corner from the main room that I showed you guys. So it is some of that too. It's just normal traffic coming in and out. So and that's what we got.